Welcome to the Business Administration tutorial. In this tutorial, we'll go over how to create a profile for a subuser, create payees, and give authorizations on items that require approval. After you have logged in, select the Business Administration widget. The Authorizations tab is where pending ACH payments, external and internal transfers, and wire payments will need to be approved. To do this, first select the box next to the transaction. Then, select if you want to reject or authorize the transaction. The Payees tab allows you to add or edit payees for use in ACH and wire transactions. To add a payee, select the Add Payee button in the top right. Enter the name and nickname, then select Create Payee. You can add a category, contact information, and a profile image for the payee. Then, select to add a payment method for the payee. Enter the account nickname, then select a payment method. Continue entering in the routing number, account number, and account type. Finally, select Add Payment Method. To delete a payee, select Delete Payee. The Roles and Users tabs allow you to set up new business users for online banking. First, create a new role by clicking the Add Role button. Enter in the role name and description. Create a tailored role by selecting the set of permissions users assigned to the role can perform. Second, add accounts to the role and allocate permissions for each account. Finally, enter the authorization and transaction limits for each transaction type permitted to the role. Once you have created a role, you have the foundation for creating a new business user. From the Users tab, click Add User. Choose a user name and check for availability. Then, enter in the user's information. Select a role to apply to the user from the drop-down. Then click Create User. The system will automatically send the user an email with a temporary password and login instructions. For more questions or information, please click the Help button in the top right or call ICCU at 1-800-456-5067.